Hey guys, it's midweek and we're looking for another quick and easy meal, and we're doing up this cheesy baked salsa chicken. So incredibly delicious and simple, you're gonna love it, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, first things first, what I've got here is some salsa, and this is store-bought. I mean, you can make it from scratch, but it's just a lot of work. But we are going to zest this up a little bit, simply by grabbing up some fresh lime. And we'll give this a fresh squeeze-a-rooney in, and I'm going to do this with a couple of slabs of it, just to perk it up. Next, we'll add in a bit of fresh cilantro, again perking things up. And of course, you can always add in some fresh peppers, whatever else you like in cilantro. And like I said, you could do it from scratch too, but I just find it a lot of work. Perk this up, it's it's actually really good. Then we'll just set this aside for a few minutes. Next up, what I've got here are 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And you can use breasts as well, I just like the thighs. And I'm going to go ahead and season these up with a bit of garlic powder. Loving me garlic, like I always say. Of course, some taco seasoning. Now, I'm using a mild here because I don't like it too spicy, but you can use hot or medium, whatever you like. I'm going to put quite a bit of this on because it is a salsa chicken. A couple of cracks of salt. And of course, some ground black pepper. Then of course, we'll go ahead and flip these over and do the same for the other side. Now my fine chicken friends, our chicken is all seasoned up, so we'll get started at our baking dish. So this is simply a matter of grabbing up some of that salsa and placing it into the bottom of the dish. And we want a bed here of salsa. Then we are going to lay our chicken thighs over that bed of salsa. Next, a little more salsa over the top. It's going to be so good, so simple, and so good. So we are going to go ahead and slip this into a 375-degree preheated oven for about 35 minutes. After about 35 minutes or so, just look at this, guys. It smells absolutely incredible. And of course, I'm going to grab up some of that Tex-Mex cheese, one of my most favorite cheeses in the whole wide world, and spread it over the top. Oh my goodness, smell-o-vision. This smells good. Now this is going back into the oven for another few minutes, just until that cheese melts. After about 5 minutes, that cheese is beautifully melted. And just look at this, guys. Uh-oh, yum. Okay guys, look at this yummy. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that ooey gooey cheese come off. I'll go ahead and garnish this up with a bit more cilantro just for that beautification and fresh pop. Oh. And there you have it, my friends, our baked salsa chicken. Incredibly delicious and so easy. So let's cut into this and see what we have. All right, let's give this a taste. This is so good. The cheese, the salsa has got that little bit of a bite. I imagine if you use, hot salsa, it would be even spicier. It is just so good and fast and easy. You got to make this. Of course, I'm going to have more. It's so good. Yum.